So today I will teach you and show you how to remove our multiple Google accounts from our Android phone or any brand phone that you have. So basically it will always be done into our phone settings. Just simply search your accounts there. In here it will show you which accounts that you want to remove, your password, your backup accounts, or any Google Assistant accounts. But now I will want to remove one of my Google accounts from my phone. So I will choose to click the user send accounts. One user send my phone, and here it will show you where the application that you want to delete or remove. But this time we will choose to have Google, and here it will show you how many accounts that you registered into this phone or IP address. So in my case I have only 2 accounts from this phone, and I want to remove my another Google accounts from there. So just think it twice, because if you really want to remove this or delete it, all the data will be gone too. So I want to choose other one of my account and remove. Just click the account that you want to remove, and here it will show you all the details, all the data, that if you want to remove this, all the contacts, Gmails will be forever delete in this phone. So here in the right side you can see the 3 dot. Just click this 3 dot, and now it's either to have the option of sync now, but if you want to remove your account, then we need to click the remove account. So this time removing account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. So we just need to remove it to having a permanently deleted into our accounts. So just simple, then it will remain the account that you want to stay in your IP address or in your Android phone or any phone that you have.